On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe that'll give you a real fresh start to the week. A deliciously creamy broccolini salad. Lei hou ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This recipe is super fast, super delicious. It's definitely one that you'll want to make all the time. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. A 400 ml can of chickpeas. You can keep the chickpea water or the aquafaba to make a thick mayonnaise like in the previous episode. Rinse and drain the chickpeas, then add to a mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Toss to coat. Spread onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread the chickpeas out so that they cook evenly. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. About 250 grams of broccolini. Of course, you can use regular broccoli as well, it's completely up to you. Chop the broccoli down into small bite-sized pieces. This recipe makes enough for about 2 to 3 portions, but of course you can multiply it to make more if you like. Transfer into a large mixing bowl. Peel and thinly slice a quarter of a red onion. You can also use 1 shallot if that's what you have on hand. Slice 1 small purple carrot into thin matchsticks. Carrots add a nice crunch, some freshness, and delicious sweetness to the salad. Of course, you don't have to use a purple carrot. You can use whatever color carrot you like, but it really just adds a little extra flair to the salad. 1/3 cup raisins. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds. 3 tablespoons hemp hearts. By the way, this episode is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 3rd cookbook, Young Man Cooking. For more information about this book or the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks to grab your very own copy, there's a link in the description box below, or you can check out youngmancooking.com. Blender. 1 cup cashews. 1 cup water. About a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon salt. Fresh cracked pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Blend on high until liquefied. If you're not using a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight in some water to soften them up. This dressing recipe makes more than enough for 2 to 3 portions, so you can enjoy it with other recipes, or it can be stored refrigerated and enjoyed for up to 1 to 2 weeks. When the chickpeas are done, take them out of the oven and carefully transfer them to the salad. Give the salad a good mix. You can toss the salad with a little bit of dressing, but I like to serve it on the side. It's completely up to you. Plate the crunchy salad generously. Drizzle over that deliciously creamy dressing. You can now freshen up with this deliciously crunchy salad with absolute confidence. Just so many wonderful colors. Looks amazing. That is delicious. It's fresh, it's so crunchy, just wonderful. This is just visually stunning. It's so casual, it's so inviting, and it's so delightfully colorful. Of course, there's that fresh crunchiness from the broccolini, which is paired with the crunchiness and the natural sweetness from the carrot. The red onion adds a little pungent flavor, but they're paired so well with the sweetness of those raisins. The chickpeas have a little bit of that smoky flavor and a slight crispness. The hemp hearts and the pumpkin seeds just add a little bit of crunch and this really nice, bold earthiness. The dressing brings together everything with this extraordinary, creamy, salty. It has this bit of a nutty flavor as well as this brightness from the lemon juice. This is a very versatile recipe. You can definitely switch out the veggies in there for other veggies that you have on hand. This is another one of those recipes that's absolutely delicious, doesn't require a laundry list of ingredients, and you can finish this in a short amount of time. Like I always say, simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version of these books available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.